Today I have selected the absolute best Lexus RX auction deals for you. Let's look at the numbers. Starting with a 2020 Lexus RX 350, 119,000 miles. We have front and rear damage, but it is a verified run and drive. Calculate parts for both ends carefully. My strict max bid is $15,000. Auctions on June 9th. Moving to a 2016 RX 350. Excellent low mileage at just 70,000 miles. Front end damage. Run and drive. Low miles mean high resale value. Max bid is $15,000. Sells on June 9th. Next, a 2014 RX 350, 119,000 miles with front-end damage. Run and drive. Parts for this year are cheap and easy to find. Do not exceed a max bid of $6,000. Hits the block on June 9th. Here is a 2015 RX 350, 113,000 miles, front-end damage, run and drive, a solid mid-range unit. Keep your max bid strictly at $5,000 to guarantee your margin. Sells on June 10th. Moving to a 2016 RX 350 base model, 133,000 miles. Rear end damage, run and drive. Rear hits are often straightforward to repair on these SUVs. Max bid is $11,000. Auctions on June 9th. Next is a 2014 RX 350 base. Higher mileage at 156,000 miles. Front-end damage, run and drive. Budget your repair costs very carefully here. Max bid should be $5,000. Sells on June 9th. Now, a 2015 RX 350 base, 108,000 miles, front-end damage, run and drive. A reliable flip if you source parts smartly. Max bid sits at $4,500. Sells on June 10th. Finally, a 2016 RX 350. Very low miles at just 49,000. Front and rear damage, run and drive. The mileage is great, but the dual damage requires strict budget control. Max bid is $15,000. Sells on June 8th. Check the description for all links.